Welcome to Recipe to Dish. Today, we'll show you how to make a classic French omelet. But before we crack into the recipe, let's take a moment to explore the fascinating history behind this humble yet iconic dish. The history behind the humble omelet. Did you know the omelet has a royal backstory? Legend has it that the first recorded omelet dates back to Napoleon Bonaparte. The French emperor once stopped in a small village while leading his army. A local innkeeper prepared him a simple meal using the freshest eggs she could find. Napoleon loved it so much, he ordered the villagers to gather all the eggs they had to create a massive omelet for his entire army. No matter where you're from, the omelet proves that a few simple ingredients can create magic in the kitchen. And today, we're making our own twist on this timeless classic. You'll need 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and optional fillings like cheese or herbs. Step 1. Prepare the eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and beat them until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Step 2. Heat the pan. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add the butter, allowing it to melt without browning. Step 3. Cook the omelet. Pour the beaten eggs into the pan. Stir continuously with a spatula, ensuring even cooking. Once the eggs begin to set, stop stirring and let them cook undisturbed for a few seconds. Step 4. Add fillings and fold. Add your desired fillings such as cheese or herbs. Fold the omelet gently and cook for a few more seconds until the cheese melts. Your classic French omelet is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes from Recipe to Dish.